Hello, thank you for having us. My name is Afonso Matias, and I'm very excited to share with you how we are transforming African native languages into a bridge to link culture, market, and technology in one place. More than 2,000 languages are spoken across Africa. Many, if not all of them, are severely underrepresented in technology. We have developed an intuitive, easy to use, and AI-powered translation tool for African languages. So we are building a collaborative community where users help building what always they wanted but was not there. Now, let's understand the language problem of Africa and what it takes to solve it. Yaala, the voice of native languages in digital era, is the answer we give. But what is the problem? As stated, the problem is the African language diversity and exclusion and misrepresentation of this diversity in technology. This leads to exclusion of millions of Africans from economic and educational opportunity. Let's analyze data scarcity. Many African languages lack the large database that powers big text AI models. And the tools that exist to translate African languages, they normally use generic translation that fails to capture cultural nuances, dialects, and orthography of the African diverse languages. And the consequences we have always stated it, exclusion. And the solution is Yaala, an intuitive and easy to use AI-powered translation for African languages. Yaala defines synonyms, with what means that it will include built-in dictionaries, native African languages built-in dictionaries, and Yaala translates African languages between each other and between international languages. And all these efforts are to be done in a philosophy of Ubuntu, a community-led data flywheel, adaptive engine that handles with low resource languages like in African context, parallel translations, more than one or more than two languages are translated at once with Yaala. This is our part of the solution that we are bringing. But why now? Well, the language market is a unique market, and as we have shown before, the problem of languages, misrepresentation, all of this, and living in AI era, we have to do something to lift Africans and to include people and to promote culture exchange and diversity. Angola, where what is the market where the product will be presented, has more than 36 languages communities, which accomplish more than 24 and 600 millions of people, speakers of the native languages. So we are presenting an easy to use tool, AI powered for African languages, that covers 5 SDGs, as we can see here, 5 SDGs, and is to be implemented in a well China bridged market environment, as we can see here. So this is the tool and this is the moment. How are we going to the market? We are going with a product-led growth strategy product. Now, we include a freemium model to allow target as much users as we can. And the tool that we are presenting has 4 main features: audio translation, photo translation, offline translation, which is important in the market, in African market, because access to internet is difficult in many parts. And behind my video, we have AI assistance. So the steps from a new user to a paid customer. Our aim is to take from free to paid, and this is some of the moments. Registration just take just one. The product will include a prompt that call to upgrade to a paid version whenever the paywall is hit. Traction. We are a pre-seed tech startup. We conducted a survey that covered 10 of 20, the 21 Angolan provinces, and we made an MVP which was presented to more than 1,300 visitors at the 5th Angotic edition at this year to 2025, and raising much interest of the people to buy Yaala. They wanted to use it. They wanted to install it in their smartphones and their computers. Let's dig a little bit more the survey we did. In the survey, about 54% of the respondents reported that absence of native languages was the main difficulty they encountered using translation apps, and 62.1% would like to see native languages as feature in translation apps. So this is a need, a real world need. Business model. We divided our application in two versions, basic and premium. The basic version will be priced like this. In the premium version, we have not a language limitation. Once user pay, he have access of all present languages in the software or in the version that he is using. And the premium has AI assistant called Yaala Glot. The market size, we took Google as our term, and for our sum we took Swahili speakers around Africa. For some, we took Angola. Roadmap. This is the roadmap of Yaala development. It showcased users, language, and revenues growth. In the first month, we are thinking to have 500 users, which will give back to 625 US dollar of revenue, 2 languages, and in 24 months we are projecting to have 5 million users and an income of 6.2 millions of revenue. A demo. Here we watch a 30 seconds demo of Yaala working. We listed 3 competitors, professional translators, Google, Kukubela. Unfair advantages. Contextual memory. Yaala uses an intelligent system that learns and adapts to a specific terminology. The team that will bring in existence Yaala in existence is this. Financial projection. We are rising 287,000 US dollars. This value is to be used for development, and below we can see the revenues, the costs, and cash in a half of this period. So the use of the funds will be used in these fields: human resource, data collection, communication, and project management. So risks. We take a time to analyze some risks, and we have 5. User don't use translator and dictionary every day. This is the first risk. And how to solve it? We think of including what we are calling flashionary stimuli, which is vocabulary and cross languages, curiosity, and similarities to prompt user to go and use the app. User may not like the app and uninstall it. First, this is a risk, but this is a product of people's needs. This is their languages, their community. We think they will not leave, but if they leave, we are including, tell us why you are leaving us so that we can improve. My language is not included. We will include a disclaimer stating that languages are still being aided. Get involved and help aid yours too. Finally, our vision. In 5 years, we see ourselves becoming the continental benchmark for languages inclusion and a company with annual revenue of $100 million. Thank you for watching.